On the Steam page, it's mostly showing on the trailer guns, not the like melee shit.
I'll do fucking
Also, I remember
non-competitive. I'll do a
there's
co-op
some melee they got.
first-person shooter all day. That's fine.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
I'm
Oh,
tired
yeah.
of competitive ones. I'll just have a hard time getting into it when there's
Just
not like
go
a,
for it.
a route of like, oh, you can be the sneaky guy and do sneaky things. Like if I can't do that, if it still requires me to be really good at first-person shooting, then I'm just not into it.
I love out shooting another dude.
I do enjoy traps and things like that more. They are like a slot machine.
Well, I actually think the thing that draws me to that stuff over the other is like, okay, I don't think I'm very good at like the Twitch reaction stuff. I'm not fast enough. My hands are too slow. I don't think fast enough for that when it comes down to it. But I can appreciate a game where I can like set something up. It enables me to do that and enables me to play like that regularly. Probably
They
the reason
put a
why I
lot
don't
of
do that in
that in
Hunt.
Hunt. You should come back to
Is there?
maybe come back to
I was
Hunt.
just saying the reason I didn't do that in
This
Hunt
night
is
guy
because
has
those traps,
such-
you only get like 3 of the traps or
The
whatever.
dark
We can
satchel
pick them up
trap.
now, straight up.
You
You
can
can
pick,
just
yeah,
pick
you
them
can pick
back
them
up
up and
now.
move them, and they have the dark satchel trap now too, which is remote detonation. So you can, if you're willing to pay what you, honestly, you could bring in 4 of them for what you used to be paying for a
Paying for the
sniper.
lapel.
And then you just put them down, and you can put an alert line on them if you want, so that people set them off if they run through them. But you can also just like you can see them in dark sight, and so can your teammates, which is nice. And
Yeah, more traps should work that way, but I guess I understand why they don't do that.
And you can get in close and just like, just wait for people to push you and try to get them to go where you have your traps, which has been my playstyle lately.
You can remote detonate it like on, manually with through dark sight.
Yeah.
The dark satchel traps are even more of a slot machine because it's like you'll hear footsteps around them, and then you're like, is it time? Should I do it now? And then you do it, and if you get a hit marker, you get that dopamine rush of like, yeah, somebody was there.
But you can also do it off of a beetle too.
Yes, you can.
Oh,
Yeah, you can. I've been.
I never have to see
meaning
anyone.
to do that.
I'll
They're
just
about
go
to
in that
add
hole
fucking
that Chris
straight
kept
up
going
magic.
into.
Honestly, you can
so-
just stay in the woods and still snipe, and I can just set them up all over, and you can just wander around with a beetle if you if you want.
So your teammates can set them off too? With
Yes, yeah. Me and Dave had an awesome end of match 1 with a beetle. A team that had nearly wiped us out twice too.
Okay. I'm building one more time just to get the new stuff that Jeff gave me. Jeff, you see that he added the join code things. I don't think that these should be used for entering your name. I think these should be used for copying the join code.
I didn't see what he sent, so.
In Heartlamp channel. Text to see if Jeff is. He said on his way.
Oh, I see.
We seem to be going down the route of everything is a physical thing. So no UI elements that look like UI elements. I've adjusted all the. You'll see in the build once I have this new one up. You already see some of it. I've made everything a multiply shader, so it takes on the paper color or the paper texture. It multiplies onto it. It doesn't write over it.
Yeah, I noticed that on the home screen thing.
So it'll be much better now. I'm thinking, yeah, these little sticky notes are a great idea, but I think that should be the join code on where you're like the copy to give it to everybody else. because it looks to me, it looks a little weird having two of them stacked on top of each other like this. There's just something design-wise that is as aesthetically pleasing
It's
about
just
it.
because it's the exact same thing. If they were
Yeah,
two different.
maybe, yeah.
Yeah, if the rip was
Yeah, I get
slightly
it.
different or something.
But it's perfect for a join code, I think. Just drop that to the bottom left, put the join code in there, and then bam. I think it's, and it also just feels right for the join code. Like it's like writing down your password.
Or number for someone.
Yeah, exactly.
It was
It's very good. I think it's a great option.
Hello.
Yo,
Hello.
who's ready to laugh?
Oh. Boy, that's how we were
Oh,
gonna
yeah.
start the playtest, right? Just, who's ready to laugh?
Who's ready to get tickled?
And then when it's awkward silence,
Coming over. Give me your address.
I
Are
should
we in
text
the
them at some point.
dev branch or the normal one?
We'll be in the dev branch. I am building your wait for a second because I want to get
Yeah.
this build up there, which is I just added your buttons on it. Just so that you have the full, as much of the aesthetic as you can. I still don't have the on press or hover state change stuff in. I'll have to make components for that, but it's a lot closer to the visual aesthetic we're going for. But yeah, I just want to do one round or one full game just to make sure everything works. I adjusted the timers on the score states to be automatic, so they should time to the number of players in, and I want to make sure that works well. Okay, the build's finishing.
Oh, okay, we're gonna have to refresh this.
Yeah, you will, but it'll just be a
Wait, hold on.
refresh. Yeah, I'll let you know when it's ready. It'll just be a normal. Oh, I thought it was finishing. It looked like it was. Then it went back to normal too. It's Prussian text. Normally it doesn't take more than 6 minutes, and we're at 4.5. So.
Path of Exile 2. I don't play this one. For sure.
Path of Exile?
What do you guys? Am I saying the right one?
Yeah,
Path of
the Path of Exile 2.
The Diablo one.
Yeah. I'd be open to looking into it. Those ones are all about like super customizable characters, right? There's no classes. It's just a big tree.
There are.
Yeah,
You
there
start
are.
in
Okay.
in your class's spot on the sphere grid,
Okay.
right? is
Yeah.
where
This
it
one
tends to.
is
But you
a
can,
lot less customizable than
Uh,
the other one, than the first one.
I do
it
hear
seems
people like it
a
though.
lot more soul. Well, not souls. It like dodge rolls. Shit. Is it a iframes dodge roll or just a reposition quickly dodge?
I think it's iframes.
See,
Yeah, because I think you can roll
that'd be
through
fun.
things.
I'd be willing to give it a shot. I know people have said they like it
I
quite a
kind of want
bit.
to play a melee class with a controller. Play it that way.
Pushing the build, which means it'll be up in like
But I'm not
30 seconds.
done. 1.0.
Is it not done yet still?
I think they originally said June, but I always thought they'd never. Well, I mean, it's well way past June now, right?
Hmm.
Obviously.
Let's see. Let's see where it's at. Um, End of 2026. What? Okay. Maybe it is right. Yeah, if it's not done, I'm not gonna mess with it. Alright, let's see if this thing's up. Let's see. Test. Play strips. Dev. Okay. It seems to be up, should be 0.4.1.
Yes. Do not see a
041, you say?
0.4.1.
041.
Yep.
I'll give you a code in a second. Jeff, did you do compete and collab buttons?
No,
Or what do you want to do?
no.
Just small ones, just so that we can, just for now, so it makes it easier for me to put them in.
Yeah,
Um,
I'll can probably do that either tonight or tomorrow.
Okay.
Oh, did you want them all the same width? I'll fix that offline one.
Yeah, we can. Yeah, I figured you could take a look at it, and it doesn't. At least now it does have the same general style, but yeah, it does. It is still a little like skinnier, and
Yeah.
I had to stretch it vertically a little bit to get it to look somewhat close to the other ones. All right, here is join code. I like your post-it note thing. I want to use it actually though for the join code copy, because I feel like it would feel more natural there as like, hey, I wrote this join code down.
Okay.
And then maybe, I don't know if you could brainstorm some other ideas for the boxes that you put in here, but I feel like it's perfect for the join code copy of like, oh, I wrote my password down and here it is. I stuck it on the bottom of my monitor.
I have the start button, but it does nothing. Testing
Oh,
it
you
for
have
you.
the start button. Interesting.
Boop, 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 boop.
Okay, that's a bug I have to fix. That one's easy though. At least it does nothing, so that's fine. I think I probably accidentally turned it on for you. whatever. That probably just broke right now, and I just fixed some, or just changed over the start button to be the same type of button that. Oh, I know exactly what's wrong with it now that I think about it. Come on, Chris. I can actually fix that. Yeah, it's just on. Let's see. Okay, that'll fix it. Fixed. Alright, everyone ready? Keep an eye on bugs. Get your screenshot buttons ready. Stream if you're streaming. All that stuff.
Take my camera
Right.
down here.
Here we go.
Shit.
Shit.
Oh fuck! I clicked out of it. Oh,
Leave basic behind.
Alright,
Explore
well, we'll have to
Core's
jump back
new
in.
Hydro
No
Shield
worries.
Plus styles. Our water
How did you wind up clicking out of it? Was it
I don't know. I
because
clicked
you're trying to
something
click back
on my in my
because you're trying to click back
hotbar.
into the game? Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it hides your mouse until you click off, I guess, or whatever. I'll have to
Yeah.
figure that out. If you click off and are clicking back in, yeah. Yeah. It should, when you hover over it, show you until if you're not focused, show your mouse.
Anyone else have the start button? Or just me?
Yeah, you'll all have it.
Yeah,
It's because I just went in and changed the button
Oh,
texture to be this one that looks like it's part of the page. And then because of that, I forgot to turn it back off, which is the default state. Normally I should program it to just turn off if it's not necessary, but I did not. All right, here we go. We need more Flopsy poses. He's just flipping back and forth here, not doing anything.
Hmm.
Done with my comic already. Need to move that start typing to insert a word bubble somewhere else. Also, someone's really breathing in their microphone.
Rob, it's probably me. I'm new to this fucking thing, alright?
Pretty good. It always ends with violence against the Flopsies. That's pretty good use of the crowd.
Yeah.
I was laughing because I accidentally made him say hours later. I didn't have time to change it to another thing. He just says hours later. I have
So,
a
with Dave, was this you?
shoeless door now. No, I was
So I think you weren't there for the discussion of. Did you notice the hidden moon?
what,
Or whoever
Yeah,
did
I saw
that.
the hidden moon.
Oh, yeah, you knew of the
hold
hidden
on.
moon though.
I see. Yeah, there's some sort of bug when I'm
yeah.
rotating.
Yeah, okay,
I
see
know what
that
this
one. I can
is,
take a
and it's
picture then.
because yeah, it's not. It won't break the vote, but yes, I have to fix this. Good catch. Oh, I don't know who to go with. All of these are very good.
I think I voted for one,
Gonna-
but the red
oh.
dot is also missing.
I just barely missed clicking.
hours
I was
later.
going to vote for you, Dave.
Oh,
That
that's like,
happened to me last weekend, essentially.
Would have been a tie.
I'm gonna start saying that. Then I have to. Actually,
Okay, this is too long.
Hours
Fuck,
later.
why is this so long?
oh, there it goes. Ooh, what's going on here? Oh, Marcus, yours was shy.
Yeah, well, it's supposed to
Yours
be. We didn't
came
get any
up for a
points.
second and then went back down.
Yeah. That's not a bug. That's intentional.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. God, bugs. Where am I gonna catch that rabbit?
see if I can make this work. I'm not sure. Makes almost no sense. This comic. Oh no. And now it makes even less sense because I couldn't fiddle with the thing at the end.
Ugh. I had trouble with mine too. Rushed it. Couldn't get it out in the end.
That one needed him going, pass it forward.
Yeah, I ran out of time. It's good.
Good.
We do need a version of the text box that's just like it's like the invisible one, but it does have a line for the pointery part. You know what I mean? Like it looks like I
Yeah.
think that was Jeff in the last one made the like.
Oh yeah,
that
I
with
used like a
eyes
backslash.
or something. Yeah.
Okay, interesting. So yeah, you can't easily select the one you want to select. I'm trying to get the vote where it belongs. There
I
we
hit
go.
the vote more than once, and I can't remember whether I've removed it or put it back. I'm missing the red.
You don't
dot.
remove
I
it.
have the
You
red
never.
down.
You never remove it.
The
Okay.
vote is not the vote is not where it's supposed to be right now. You're voting now for the thing for something else. Or sorry, the vote tag is where it's supposed to be, I think, but the vote, your actual vote isn't counting for what you think it's counting for. I think that's what's happening. I'm not sure. I can't believe we didn't see this last time, honestly, because I didn't change anything about the carousel other than like that got changed a couple of times back. So I don't know what happened with that.
I was joking about this last time, but honestly, the bars being there do make me care more about the score, which is fun, which is good.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't get one finished, but did my best. Unfinished.
This is bizarre, and I love
Not
it.
sure where I would have landed with it, but I was finding my way. Boy.
Alright, everyone do me a favor. Let's all vote. Tell me which one you're voting for so I can figure out how this is
I'm
actually
voting for
working.
Big Boy Milk.
I can't
It's gonna
vote for Big
go.
Boy
I
I
Milk.
don't see the
Spiral.
dot
Is,
this
the
time.
spiral is
Yeah,
very
but so don't
persuasive.
don't try to change the die. So Jeff voted for Big Boy Milk.
I went persuasive.
Persuasive.
I went persuasive too. So Dave, me. So Jeff should get 3 points here, and if he doesn't, that tells me at least a little bit about what's bugged. Okay, yeah. Okay, so then it's the actual. So the vote part is on the right spot, and also this is too long. I need to cut down the time. Like I said, I'm trying to dynamically set the round length. Guys, I can't get a point. How disappointing. All right, that's it. That's all I need. Nothing broke other than the carousel, obviously.
I will say something. I was making setups in the offline mode, and I don't seem to be able to hit the manage load button anymore.
Let me take a look.
Yeah, I was just
It's very possible
trying to
that
go
it
in there
broke
while
when
we
I
were
put these backgrounds in,
waiting.
and if that is the case, I can fix that right now.
Shouldn't matter, except that now
Yeah.
there are two setups in there called Fedora Convention. The one with more than just the sign, it should be the one that's in there, and I meant to go erase the other one, but I can't.
Yeah, you can't. And it's the weird part is actually it's not the problem I thought it was.
Is there any in there called Fedora Convention? Is the save also?
Well, hold on. I need to fix the thing before I can get in there. Why is that happening? That's strange. Very strange. Setup manager's running. It's like the setups aren't being retrieved, unfortunately, which would be not ideal. Setup initialize. So the worry here is that for some reason the steps aren't coming through. I'm not getting an error, or maybe I did get an error there. Let's see. Come on. Hurry, finish. I need to get like one of those Ryzen Threadrippers so that I can take advantage of multi-threading when I'm programming. It takes so long for stupid Unity to compile. Even though I'm not sure that is the issue, but I feel like at work it compiles way faster now. My CPU is technically short. Oh, you're compiling again. Okay. So I click offline mode. Interesting. Those load in, but no, it doesn't even try to initialize.
I was also gonna try and get
That's strange.
my the 4 characters that I did. I'm basically finished with the Shy Lady, newest edition, Shy Lady.
We can try to get those in.
And
Are you trying to get those in by Tuesday? That might be
I was
harder.
trying to get them in by, yeah, I was gonna try and put them all in tomorrow, but if it would risk breaking anything, then I won't do it. We could just wait.
That was my worry, is that
Yeah,
risk
that's
breaking
fine.
things. So it is initializing, and then it makes a call out to the setup manager. So something's wrong on my AWS side, which is not ideal. I don't know why that is.
So this is not related to any change you made. This is just an Amazon issue.
Yeah, but who knows what the root cause of it is right now. Okay, it failed. Bad gateway. Let me see. So it's because getting the setups is failing. It could be an Amazon issue, like Amazon's actually down right now. But you said this has been happening for a while, which is a
No,
bigger worry.
this just happened
Oh,
today.
okay.
Yeah, I was on last meeting we had. It was working fine.
Dave, when did you try?
While we were waiting today
Okay.
for the start.
I will do a two-pronged approach. Text that, and I'll also take a look at Amazon to see what the fuck's going on. There's a possibility that my credit card that I was using for it expired or something.
Riverside helps with the entire process of making a podcast, from recording to edit, and even generating clips automatically from your podcast to share on socials. Thanks to local recording, recording with Riverside means you and your guests get stable, high-quality recordings which still hold up even when someone experiences dropouts in connection. Your entire show gets transcribed into text once you're done with a take, which lets you edit your show by simply editing the text. With a single click, you can add captions, clean up your audio, refine your content, or generate a whole episode using Magic Episode. You can even ask the co-creator AI to generate short-form clips highlighting a specific topic, or come up with a thumbnail for your show. Whether it's making podcasting
Okay,
work
pulling
or
it
making
up.
it in time for that short turnaround, Riverside's
Everything
the perfect
looks
tool
to
help
be
you
in
out.
good
Create your podcast
condition.
with Riverside.
I'm listening to a commercial for a podcast service that is like a thing. You record your podcast and then AI listens to the whole thing and like makes your clips for you and posts them to your social and makes you a thumbnail and I would have tried
Why
that when we
bother
were doing
making
A
things
sides and
if you're
B
not
sides,
doing it?
honestly.
could be that it's timing out. I just don't. Maybe we have enough that it exceeds my timeout limit. Let's see. Sorry, actually. Gateway. API gateway. Let's test. My best guess, ideal thing would be for it to just have. Payload side exceeds the max payload side. So we have too many setups. Alright, I will fix this.
Oh, is that we're just full?
Just too many to send back a response on the break. Which is fine. It's just. I knew it would happen eventually, I just didn't. It's because I'm sending the textures back with it. What I really should do is just send content, like the
Positions and
subnames,
stuff.
and then have it get textures individually.
You're a little cutouty now, Marcus.
Saying I should have it send just the names, and then it'll go get each texture individually on its own. That's how it should work, but it doesn't because I was lazy when I programmed it.
That's okay. I'll remake Fedora convention later. Put it in here.
Yeah, I'll fix it at some point. Okay. Yeah, I'll fix it. I will not be able to fix this before the thing. There's too many other things to fix. So
No worries.
setups are in or the setups are in, but I will fix that this week. Because it's gonna require me to fundamentally change the way the setup returns work, which is fine. It should have been changed honestly a long time ago. Um. All right. Let me fix the carousel because that one is actually pretty important.
All right. Well, are we all good?
Yeah, I'm just gonna fix the breaking bugs and then we'll. Then that's all I'm doing. I'm going to bed.
Right on.
You guys later.
Catch y'all later.
Later.